Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is DolledupYasmin. That is me, your girl. On today's video, I'm going to be doing my full face makeup using one palette, which is this Ofra All-in-One Spring Glow, Spring Glow palette. Collab with HSN, so you can only find this palette on HSN, and it runs for $49. I will be doing swatches for you guys and showing you how I created this beautiful spring look using this Ofra palette. Please, it's actually magnetic, which I think is super cool. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see all the colors. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm gonna read off the HSN website because they did partner up with Ofracosmetics on this palette. I don't think you can find it on the Ofracosmetics website. It's only on hsn.com. And it runs for $49. I actually had a $10 coupon, so I got it for 40 bucks. So all this for 40 bucks. Like, hello? Like, honestly, Rodeo Drive, I have been dying to try that highlighter. It's screaming my name right now. So on the website, it says, Ofracosmetics All-in-One Spring Glow Makeup Palette. What it is, everything you need to create many different makeup looks all in one magnetic palette, including neutral tones to accommodate for all skin tones and age ranges, which I think is absolutely awesome. And this definitely screams spring colors. It's so gorgeous. Well, the palette is 11.71 ounces. I don't freaking know what that freaking means or anything. I really don't care. I do like that they did say it's magnetic. So let's say I order singles from their site. I can actually pop these out and put a new one in, which I think is awesome. It includes 2 full-size highlighters, which are these 2, 3 blushes. These 3 are the blushes. I could probably use this orange tone blush as a bronzer also. 1 pressed banana powder, 8 eyeshadows, so these 6 up here, and these two down here, which is, this is like brownish maroon, and this is a black, and I think you can use these 2 as eyeliners. Everything sounds good and springy, so let's spring it on with a makeup look. I'm gonna do something light, fun, you know, something anybody can do at home and, you know, call it a day. I know for sure this one is Rodeo Drive, and I think this one is Hollywood something. Beverly Hills highlighter? I believe that's what it's called. Okay, so my face is already prepped. I do have my foundation on, my setting powder, concealer, and my brows are done as well. That benefit precisely my brow pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few of these just so we can see. Ooh! Wow, that is butter! Wow, that is so pretty. Now that was this like pinky shade right here. Super soft and buttery. That was gorgeous. Let's do this little goldish brownish shade, and then there's this like brown metallic shade. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this peachy shade right up here. They're so buttery, I swear. Now this one's good for like an all over lid color. Then here is the matte brown, pinky peach brown shade. That one right there. Really pretty crease color. Next, I'm gonna swatch the blushes and the banana powder, which is awesome to use to brighten under the eyes. So I'm excited to try that one. Here are the blushes and the banana powder. They're very pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the highlighters. Here is Rodeo Drive and Beverly Hills, the black shadow, and the maroony purple brown shadow. And I love that this comes with a mirror, which is like perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this beige shade up here and put that all over my lid so it sets everything in place. And that's as my base color. Right now, I'm in the middle of having a lot of dry patches, so sorry if you see it. We looking like a snake over here. So for my crease color, I definitely want to tap into this shade right up here. There isn't much kickback, which is actually really nice. So my daughter just had spring break and I've been like doing different events and things every single day. I'm legit exhausted. But yesterday was a cool day. We went to this military children appreciation event, which was pretty cool. We got a lot of free stuff and I actually won Kendrick Lamar tickets. What? I cannot wait to go see him next month. I actually have so much new makeup to test out, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film a video with each new product and try it on and see how I like it and let you guys know if it was worth buying or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this pinky purpley shade. I just think it's so like spring and pretty and not the typical gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my lid. Look how pretty that shade is. Wow. Honestly, when I want to be in and out and look like I did a lot, I always do something like this. The champagne color, it has like a purple iridescent feel to it. It's so pretty. I'm just going back with that crease color. The color we used right up here. Just to blend everything together. For the outer corner, I'm actually going to take this purpley shade right here, but I'm not taking it too out. You know, this is more like a daytime look. This palette is like great to travel with, honestly. You literally have everything here. Picking back up the brush I use on my crease, I'm just buffing that out. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Fix Plus, which, oh my god, how many of you have been to Ulta like every day during the 21 days of beauty? Don't tell my hubby. I actually picked up this bad boy. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that lid color. So since I want to stick with the theme of just using this palette right here, I'm actually going to grab that matte light ashy brown shade. Carve out my cheekbones. Dab, dab, dab. That's a really pretty like contour shade, let me tell you. Oh my gosh, I'm like super impressed with this Ofra palette. Like picking up that matte brown shade very lightly. I'm gonna contour my nose. Grabbing my beauty blender to press it in. I love, 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 love that shade for contour my nose. Like, I think it's become my go-to. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed how it looks. I'm obsessed. Pick up this blush, orange blush. I'm lightly dabbing because that one kind of kicked back a little bit. Wow, everything so far has been super pigmented, very smooth on the skin. You can definitely use that to bronze up the skin, especially now for spring and when summertime comes. You could wear it as a blush and you could definitely bronze up your skin with that orange shade. So far, everything in this palette has been working like a charm. Like a charm. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Morphe Y4 brush. I'm gonna do this lighter pink up here. You always want to smile, get them cheap. By the way, do you guys know that Cardi B's makeup artist uses Ofracosmetics? And she be looking so nice. Oh, she is pigmented. You hit the top of the nose, everything just coincides with each other and blends together and adds that like beachy flavor. Before we get into the highlight, I need to use this banana powder to brighten my under eyes, and I'll probably contour right here under the cheeks as well. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Y11 brush, which is this little tapered brush right here. Dip it in that banana shade. Oh, the pigment! Oye, pero que pigmented, Ofra. I'm feeling you. Ooh, yes, brightness come through. Yeah. Okay. Wow, that brightened up my under eye. To give that under eye a little pop of color, I'm actually gonna pop this pinky blush right under. And I'm going very, very close to the lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade I put in my crease just to buff out, and a little bit of this pink as well to buff out that darker pink under my lash line. If you have like a little crease, like right under, you can bring your shadow right where it is to kind of cover it up. Before I put on the highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, now I'm picking up my Morphe Y14 brush, and you know I've been dying to go ahead and go in with this Roseo Drive highlighter. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Very, very pretty. I always like to take my ring finger and then I dab right there. Oh, yes, hunty. Hit that Cupid's bow. Wow, 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 wow. No wonder it's your bestseller and it's always sold out, and I'm just like in heaven. So for lip color, I'm also gonna go with the Ofracosmetics product, and this is their liquid lipstick in Charmed, which I believe was a collaboration with Manny MUA. It's a really, really gorgeous pinky tone, like a mauve. Let me go ahead and put some mascara, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts on this Ofra HSN collab palette. Okay, dolls, so my final thoughts on the Ofracosmetics HSN All-in-One Spring Glow Makeup Palette. It's definitely a hit. Yes, it is. It is perfect, I think, for traveling. You literally have everything you need for spring. You can even honestly take this and use these two darker shades and do a dramatic look. So it could be from day to night, spring, summer, fall. This palette is perfect. All the shadows in this palette was very creamy. They blended beautifully together. Like, they mixed so well, so that I loved it. They're very pigmented. Rodeo Drive, oh my god. Like, hello, knock knock. My eye makeup I'm obsessed with. It's very spring. The pink, this pink shade for under the eye. Y'all nailed it. I love this banana powder right here to brighten my under eye and to, you know, slash that contour a little bit. Stunning. Like I said, creamy, pigmented, buttery. You can use this palette so many different ways. I think that Ofracosmetics, wow, you guys have a winner. Remember, you can only purchase this on HSN. Everything you need, literally everything you need is in this palette. Definitely gonna be using this again. This matte brown right here to contour, I'm obsessed. Obsession right there. This orange blush right here that I used to bronze up my face worked so well. It wasn't too overpowering either. I'm looking and it looks gorgeous. Well, dolls, that completes this tutorial using the Ofra All-in-One Spring Glow palette. Absolutely love it, adore it. I mean, what do you guys think? Do I look snatched? No? See? Leave it down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see and get all the alerts on my future videos. Let's keep learning as we go, as we grow, and as we glow, hunty. Bye, dolls. See you in my next video.